Good morning, class. The chapter Agriculture. We have discussed many topics in this chapter. First is the introduction of this agriculture, type of farming, primitive subsistence farming, and the different names of the shifting agriculture. You can say that different kinds of name is given in the different areas, and the intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, and plantation agriculture. So now today we will discuss about the cropping pattern. First of all, let me tell you that what is the meaning of pattern. Whenever you will start the agriculture of a particular land, जब भी किसान किसी भी लैंड पे एग्रीकल्चर करने का प्लान करता है, so many things comes in his mind, like what kind of land is this? Land must be productive, the season must be accurate according to the cropping pattern, cropping according to the crop, soil must be good, and the fertilizer must be there, the temperature of the particular area, the climatic conditions, so different factors. After observing all these factors, he make a pattern, that what kind of pattern he will adopt it for the cultivation or the growing of the crop. So you have studied about the physical diversities. We know that India is the land of diversity, physical diversity. We have the mountain, we have plain, plateau, coastal. So we have the land diversity. In geographical language we can say there is the topography, different kind of topography, and the plurality of the cultural in India. We don't have the single type of culture. We have a different kind of culture in our country. They are also reflected in the agricultural practice and the cropping pattern in the country. Okay, how it reflect? One example I am giving to you. In the mountain region, the farmer will grow different kind of crop. In the northern plain, farmer will grow the different kind of crop. In the mountainous region or in the coastal plains, farmer will grow the different kind of crop. So this is the different patterns in the country. Various type of food and the fiber crops, vegetables, fruits, spices and condiments, etc. constitute some of the important crops grown in the country. Some areas are rich in the wheat, some areas are rich in the rice production, some are good in the sugar cane, some areas are giving you the tea and the coffee like beverage crop. So these are. So India has three major cropping season. Underline this: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. First of all, we will discuss about the Rabi. Rabi crops are sown in the winter from October to December. You will mark all these points because these are the features. In exam it will definitely ask by the examiner that Rabi crops are sown in the winter from October to December and harvested in the summer from April to June. One example that आप जो है अक्टूबर टू दिसंबर में आप गेहूँ बो देते हैं और अप्रैल में बैसाखी का जो फेस्टिवल आता है ऑन 13 अप्रैल, और ये जो हार्वेस्टिंग सीज़न होता है आपके नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में ये बैसाखी होता है, बट इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड इन ऑल ओवर दी country in the different states in the different form like Pongal, Onam, so different kinds of name are there. तो वो उनकी फसल काटने का सीज़न होता है, that is the Rabi crop, that is sown in the winter season from October to December and harvested in the summer season April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. These crops are grown in the large part of India, that the underline the state in the northern and the northern western part like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat, other Rabi crops. Availability of precipitation, what kind of rain, कितना amount rain का आपको चाहिए. Availability of the precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclone. वेस्टर्न टेम्परेट साइक्लोन, वेस्टर्न जो तरफ से आपकी हवाएं जब हिमालय से टकरा के वापस जाती हैं, सो इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर, दिसंबर और जनवरी में थोड़ी सी जो बारिश करके जाती हैं, तो दीज रेन्स आर दिस प्रेसिपिटेशन इज़ गुड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द wheat. So western temperate cyclone help in the success of these crop. However, the success of green revolution, we have heard of this word green revolution. In Hindi we say it Harit Kranti. Green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and the part of Rajasthan, This revolution promote the agriculture, mainly the wheat production in these particular area. The some major factors is described or is launched by the government for the more production of the wheat and the growth of the wheat. So these green revolution is very supportive for the production of the wheat. The next is the kharif crop. Kharif crop are grown with on the onset of the monsoon, यानी कि onset of the monsoon, जब monsoon आने वाला होता है या आ चुका होता है, that is your June and July month. So in your area, in your northern plain, जो आपका monsoon hit करता है, that is in the month of जून और जुलाई, जहाँ पे आपकी बारिशें शुरू हो जाती हैं. इन द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री, हर कंट्री में हर कंट्री के स्टेट में अलग अलग टाइम पे मानसून हिट करता है, अलग अलग. लाइक दीज आर हार्वेस्टेड इन सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर. लाइक यू ग्रो पैडी राइस, जिसको आप चावल बोलते हैं, और यू फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द राइस यू नीड अबंडेंट रेनफॉल, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए उसके लिए आपको. सो जून और जुलाई, दीज आर द गुड मंथ्स जिसमें आपको बहुत पानी मिलता है ड्यू टू द रेनफॉल, बारिश की वजह से. सो यू कैन ग्रो राइस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सीज़न, और इसको हार्वेस्ट किया जाता है सितंबर और अक्टूबर मंथ में नियर द दशहरा. इम्पॉर्टेंट क्रॉप्स ग्रोन ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन आर अंडरलाइन पैडी, मेज, ज्वार, बाजरा, तुर, मूंग, उड़द, कॉटन, जूट, groundnut and soyabean. These are the major crops of the kharif. Some of the most important rice growing region. Now the region जहाँ पे rice grow किया जाता है, this will be helpful for the map. map के लिए important है, इसे underline करेंगे आप. असम, वेस्ट बंगाल, coastal region of Odisha, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु, केरला, महाराष्ट्र and particularly the Konkan coast in the Maharashtra, along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Recently, paddy has also become the important crop of the Punjab and Haryana due to some development of the technique and the irrigation pattern. So, Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, these three states are there. ये तीन स्टेट ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर साल में, एक ही साल में पैडी की 3 फसलें उगाई जाती हैं. What we call it? That is Oz, Aman and Boro. This is important, in exam it can be asked. The next is, in between there is the third crop, that is Rabi और Kharif के जो बीच का टाइम होता है उसमें ग्रो किया जाता है, that is your Zaid. Some of the crops are during Zaid में जो ग्रो की जाती है, like nowadays that is a Zaid, like your muskmelon, watermelon, cucumber, vegetables, fooders and the different kind of other crops. Sugarcane is also grown in this. Sugarcane cannot be grown particularly in the Rabi season or in the Kharif season. So sugarcane की production के लिए we need whole year, पूरा एक साल लग जाता है. So that this is. Now look at the map. You will draw this map. You will make this map in your geography notebook along with the answer. So this is the production area of the rice. So the green part, these are the major. So you can see there the part of the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and your Telangana, and this is the western coastal area, and this is your Assam area. So this is your Assam area. So these are the major rice production area. So this is the topic. Thank you.